everyone, and welcome back to my studio, and welcome to another episode of Friday with Friends. Now today I'm going to do a resin project. I want to have a little fun and try something different. So let's get down to the table and I'll explain today's project. Okay, for today's project I found this cute little wood tray with handles, and we're going to resin the bottom of it with a nice geode type pattern. So I have some clear crystals, I've got some gold and blue ones. The pigments I've got 2 golds. I've got Chrysta gold and 14K Nugget gold. I've got my Satori white, which is a pigment paste. I've got my Skyline blue, and then in pigment paste I've got Ringo blue. And then I've got some glitters in case I want to throw those in Mermaid and blue. And I've got some foils in case I want to throw those in. And I've got that in blue and gold. So you can see I've got sort of a 3-tone blue, gold, white pattern going. We're going to use my Stone Coat resin. It's the 2-part resin, part A, part B. This is the art coat. And we're going to have a little fun. So hold on for a minute. I am going to mix up the resin. From now forward, everything will be either voiceover or little captions down at the bottom, because I'm going to have my respirator on, so you won't hear me speak, because it's sort of like that Darth Vader voice. Okay, I'll be back once the resin's mixed up. Okay, the resin is all mixed up, so let me show you everything again real quick mixed up. So this is the Satori white and the Ringo blue, which are the pigment pastes mixed into the resin. Next we have the gold and blue foils mixed in resin. Then we have our Chrysta gold and our 14K gold pigments. Next is the Skyline blue pigment. Then we have our gold rocks mixed with resin. Next is our blue rocks mixed with blue glitter and resin to add a little extra sparkle. And finally we have our clear mixed with the mermaid glitter, and that is really gorgeous sparkliness. All right, let's get working. Okay guys, we have the final result. Now that sat 4 hours on the heat mat and then overnight, and really pleased. There's so much glare here, but oh, the shine is just beautiful. Now there are a few spots along this crystal line here where the crystals were a little high, so there's some bumps. But I don't want to put so much clear resin on the top that you lose a lot of the space in the tray. But look at this. I love the way the colors worked. I love all the shine and the sparkle. I hope you can really see this. It's really hard to get a good picture of it because it's so shiny with that clear coat on top. But, and then there's a good view. And then I took my leftovers and threw them into these coasters. So that's number one. I love the back of this one. And this one, all the foil floated to the top. And then I have this one, which has that for the back. So those are cool too. All right, I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please leave me a comment, leave me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you know when I upload more videos. Now this is part of our Friday with Friends. The links for tonight are all down in my description box. Before me, you should have seen Lance Travis, and after me is Janet with Acrylic Creations by Jwitty. Have a wonderful weekend, everyone.